Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to make 3D text animation in After Effects in 2026. So whether you're creating YouTube intros, cinematic titles, gaming edits, logo reveals, or motion graphics, yeah, After Effects gives you powerful tools for creating professional-looking 3D text animations. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new composition using your preferred resolution and frame rate. Next, select the text tool and type the title or words you want to animate. To turn the text into a 3D layer, enable the 3D cube icon on the timeline. Now use the position and rotation settings to move the text in 3D space. For more cinematic movement, create a camera layer from the Layer menu. Once your 3D text animation looks good, preview the full composition carefully and export the final video. And that's basically how to make 3D text animation in After Effects in 2026. With cameras, lights, motion blur, and cinematic effects, you can create professional-looking animated titles directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.